Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Scale Network. Few days back, I shared an idea for my members at the Patreon that the price line of Scale Network has formed a very big bullish reversal harmonic bat pattern on the weekly time frame chart, and the price action has entered the buying zone of this pattern. And I also shared this pattern with you in my previous video on the Scale Network. And this was the chart. And let me show you this chart. And this is a very big move, and I'm expecting up to 500% rally from here. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line is almost moving at the same level. But today we have received a clue that from where the price line can exactly start a very big bullish reversal. And that is that within this bat move, within the buying zone of this bad pattern, the price action of Scale Network has formed another harmonic bullish reversal harmonic shark pattern, and I will share the complete buying and sell targets of that pattern with you in the current video. First of all, I want to show you this live daily time frame chart, and this is the down channel that we have already seen in my previous video as well. At that time, the price line, after moving within this resistance and support of this channel, even in my previous video, we have seen that after this touch, the price action so far is moving directionless in this in the resistance and between the resistance and support of this down channel. Now I would like to apply the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this down channel from this candlestick to the current candlestick. And you can see that this point of control, this red line, has moved above the resistance of this down channel. That is showing that the price action can again move to this point of control like it had been doing previously as well. Whenever the price line was moving below the point of control, it was moving back towards the point of control, because if you have caught the right point of control of the volume profile, you have applied the volume profile on the right pattern, then it will show you the point of control where the price action can move again and again. If it will be moved away from that point of control, because it works like as a center of gravity for the price action, the price line always moves around this point of control. And you can also see that whenever the price line was moving above this point of control, it was moving back towards this center of this volume profile, or the point of control of this volume profile. Now we can also see that we have this 100 simple moving average resistance moving exactly where we have the resistance of this down channel as well. This red one is the 100 simple moving average, and therefore once the price action will start moving towards the upside for the big move, it will also have to face this 100 simple moving average resistance on the daily time frame chart, and the price action also needs to break out the 100 and also this resistance of the down channel at the same time. However, this point of control is giving us a very strong signal that the price action can eventually move up to this level like it has been doing in the previous move as well. And we can also observe that we have a very weak interest of the traders as per this volume profile, that is showing very weak interest of the traders in this area where the candlesticks are moving at this time, and to the upside we have very weak interest of the traders at this level, that is above the resistance of this down channel. Therefore, the price reversal is possible from here, because we are already moving in the area where we have the weak interest of the traders, and therefore whenever the price line was moving previously in this level, it was moving towards the upside from here. Now let's move to the real game plan, and that is another harmonic bullish reversal move that is giving us the clue that within this buying zone of the bigger shark, bigger bad pattern, the price action from where the price line can have a reversal move. Here we can see that we have all legs are driven perfectly as required for a perfect shark pattern. Like, this is the initial leg, and then the price action has been moved down between 38.2% to 61.8% of this leg, this initial leg. And then the price action has been projected between 113% to 161.8%, and this is the Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. Then finally, as we have seen that all the legs are driven perfectly as required for the bullish shark, therefore the final leg can be retraced between 88.6% to 113%, and this is the percentage of X to C leg, and then the price line will be entered within another bullish reversal zone of this smaller shark pattern that starts from 19.73 cents and goes up to 17.87 cents. And as per the Fibonacci targets, the Fibonacci sequence of this shark pattern, the sell targets can be 21.53% to 25.40%. So this can be up to 42% profit potential trading ideas for the day traders. However, for the long term, we should emphasize on this pattern that has been formed on the weekly time frame chart. And as per this pattern, our sell targets can be 58 cents to $1.01. However, after such a big bullish reversal bat move, we can expect that it can also break out the all-the-time high price level resistance of the SKALE network. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas that I am sharing on the daily basis at the Patreon, you can also join me here. I've shared the link in the video description. Take care. Goodbye.